cyber attacks were up by 15% in 2024 alone. And according to the experts, we recorded 300 million of cybercrime in 2024 alone, and this could double this year. So stick around, because I'm going to show you one mistake most people do that basically hand over their computer to hackers. When creating their password, for most part, many people oversimplify their password, and they basically use something like password 123 in logging in each of their mails. In 2025, hackers use brute force password cracking tools that can break weak password in just a second. So always make sure you are using more complex passwords which combines upper and lower case and symbols. That would make it difficult for hackers to track, and make sure it is at least 12 characters. And if you are having problem with it, you can try a password manager, which will offer much more simpler approach in keeping your password safe, like Bitwarden, 1Password, or Dashlane. And this tool generate and store impossible to guess passwords for you. And this makes your only one job is to keep one master password in mind. So make sure to strengthen your password in order to protect your account from hackers. And the second thing to do is to turn on multi-factor authentication. And to get it done, it's pretty simple. In your email, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile icon and click on it. Then proceed to tap on manage your Google account. And after selecting it, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then in here, you have to navigate to the left panel and continue to tap on security, and then make sure to scroll down until you locate two-step verification and tap on it. Then with this selected, you proceed to tap on turn on two-step verification. Then you will be required to enter your phone number or any other facial recognition that will add an extra layer in the event anyone wants to hack into your account. And having done that, the good thing about having this multi-factor authentication turned on is it adds an extra layer of security by requiring something only you know, in addition to your phone or fingerprint or even your face identity. The next thing to do is to keep your Windows software up to date. And to do that, navigate to the start menu and tap on it. Then proceed to tap on settings, and this will direct you to an interface like this. On the left panel, make sure to scroll down until you locate Windows Update. Always make sure your Windows is up to date by updating your software, or even get the latest update as soon as they are available. This is another way of making sure that your Windows and any other software is heavily protected. The next thing to do is to make sure you secure your network. Your PC is as safe as the network it connects to. So always make sure to check on your network that you are connected to. And if you are not certain of the network, just don't connect with it. Don't connect to a public Wi-Fi, because hackers can easily hack into your account using a public network. So always make sure you connect with a secured network. Having done this, make sure you have turned on your Windows antivirus. And to do that, just navigate to your start menu and tap on settings. Then on the left panel, proceed to tap on privacy and security. Then with this selected, continue to tap on Windows security. And this will redirect you to an interface where you can turn on your Windows Bitdefender by first making sure that you've tapped on virus and threat protection, and ensure that everything here is toggled on just by tapping on the manage settings, and make sure the real-time protection is toggled on, the dev drive protection is also toggled on, as well as the cloud delivered protection, and any other things that you see here, make sure it's toggled on. And the number one mistake many people do is to think that this won't happen to them. So always make sure you are on the lookout and use a strong password, enable multi-factor authentication, keep your system up to date, secure your Wi-Fi connection, and most importantly, build a good habit online. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.